Hey, you got a license for that?
You'll never take me alive!
Is abused, but some approach it with trademark Irish humour.
I'm all in favour of same-sex marriage because I've been having same sex with the wife for the last 30 years.
No!
Huh? Fingers.
Taste the rainbow, motherfucker!
Pomeranian. I'm so happy, oh, lucky me. I just go my way, living every day. I don't.
Oh, you touch my tra-la-la. My ding-ding-dong.
Now lose it. Just lose it. Go crazy.
Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday.
Să nu mă întrebați de ce am zis de ce e soarele cu capul sub plapumă. Da, și începem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bun. A ieșit ceva pe aici.
We zijn hier in Kampen, een van de 3 prachtige historische Hanzesteden in de IJsseldelta. Want hier wordt binnenkort het grootste paasevenement van Nederland georganiseerd. Seel Kampen. Burgemeester, wat is er nou zo bijzonder aan Seel Kampen?
Als je de mooiste... dat gaat niet goed. Deze kant op. Nee. Probeer.
Performer Miley Cyrus dropped yet another bombshell.
We are not happy campers!
Except this one happened before she even took the stage.
I'm a little upset. My birthday's on Friday. This was for my birthday.
But the utter shock brought fans like Ashley Shelton to tears.
I really wanted to see her really bad.
Todo el chocolate.
Espera, aguanta. Mira, 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 mira.
No tiene una base donde lo...
Aguanta, aguanta, A ver. Oh, mira, impresionante.
Qué bueno.
Uy, mira. Espera, 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 que no. Espera, espera.
Chief Correspondent Jay Levine is live at the restaurant in River North where the president is expected to raise big bucks for the DNC. Jay.
About $1 million by our calculations, Kate, at 2 events here in Chicago. The first at Chicago.
Obama is a war criminal and
There is some protesters going on here that were, just as we are talking. But let's get back to what's really here tonight.
Stay off the roads. It's better inside and not driving. You don't know what you're going to run into. You know, drive half the speed limit that you would if you are out on the road, if you have to be on the road. But yeah, I mean, cars parked in the middle of the road. We're seeing it right here all over. And just, you know, dodge those cars in the road. Absolutely. Do you live around here?
Yeah. Wow, you're super pretty. You want to go on a date sometime?
We're on there live right now on KTLA, actually.
Monkey!
Oh, that's so wimpy. Come on, give it all you got. Go!
What's that? Girl, that's a booty hole.
Not a hole, Keisha. A valve.
We're after your help too. Security footage of a paedophile disguised as a school. He's been getting away with it in Sheffield for 12 years. Do you know him? Have you seen him? Please call.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. No more.
Take your hand,
Okay.
wave it over the key. Oh, Jesus. Oh, goodness. Oh, my goodness. That's, oh, you have the key, though. You do have the key still? Oh, my goodness. I'm sorry, that happens.
The President's historic state visit to Britain is drawing to a close today.
You guys want to talk to us now? No, why not? Well, why are you stopping then? Don't even think about throwing that on me. Okay, so once again, the squatters are right here. They're about to leave the establishment. Just so you guys know, you're live on television. I wouldn't do that. So, as you can see, they're not the nicest neighbors that you want to live next to.
Well, the Yukon Huskies are the 2014 NAACP national champs.
About 2 to 4 inches of rainfall in the county shaded in green.
Okay, do it. Oh my God!
Even the babies are one of the most dangerous animals in the world, so I built this cage to keep them secure so there's no possible... Oh my God. Even the babies are one of the most dangerous animals in the world, so I built this cage to keep them secure so there's no possible... Oh my God.
So basically, what I was thinking of was, oh fuck, I can't believe you've done this.
Today, I'm going to teach you how to face your fears. Now the first step to facing your fears is...
Linda Carson, ABC7, would you not eat my pants?
Те, кто посмелее, соревнуются в ловкости. Например, перепрыгивают эту лужу Но не у всех это получается.
Wilson, you want to co-host with me?
We brought grapes.
Here you go. Oh, look what I got. There's a grape.
Oh, take that. And
I'm sorry.
Don't
I
you
didn't
take
mean
his
to
grape.
tease you. I didn't mean to tease. I'm sorry.
I think you just got told by a monkey.
Yeah, whoa, jeez. Sorry about that. The wind just blew me over. We're going to throw it back to you guys.
All right, save the shake.
Studio.
Save the chocolate shake.
Ladies and gentlemen, Rick Mecklenburg.
Szép számmal érkeznek a további üzenetek. Idős Balázs Lajosnak születésnapja alkalmából.
How do the Wizards plan to defend him?
They defended him pretty well when you really think about it, and ouch, that hurt.
We'll show you how firefighters are having to deal with that coming up at 6.
Thanks for joining us. Nightly News is next.
And it looks like we might have some snow that day.
No way.
I know.
That's April 7th.
I know. Sorry.
Worst winter ever.
60
Rena's
tomorrow.
gone. Worst winter ever.
Играем в бутылочку.
To get these last pins, and it is a done deal. Mike Machuga has won his first ever title. Look at this! Now remember, that's not a foul because he didn't let go of it. He did it on TV, folks.
Oh God, is it over?
Dude, he's gonna...
You motherfuckers are gonna kill all my lilies! Meow! Disrespect your surroundings!
The lake here is 8 feet low. We're at Captain Cove's Marina, and this should all be water.
Wow. Yeah, Jeff is stuck.
Now, following her victory speech, Kim asked her and her supporters to say a prayer for Gina Roberson, who remains hospitalized for a stress-related illness. Kim says her and Gina will remain friends and work together in this Harrisburg community. Working for you tonight in Harrisburg, Dave Marcheski, ABC 27 News.
Here you see the clouds pushing on shore.
She's on fire. She's living in a world and it's on fire. Feeling catch fries, but she knows she can fly away. Oh, oh, oh,
Well, when life gives you lemons.
Who's that Pokemon?
It's Pikachu!
It's Verry!
You want to go in there? You want to go in there?
I can't.
Why you can't?
Because the door's not open all the way.
So you wanna be a gangster?
Interior crocodile alligator. I drive a Chevrolet movie theater.
I believe I can fly.
very, very strong. West Preston in the mix, Northcote Park in the mix, and I think everyone's enjoying just how even and how good a league it is this year.
أنا خلاص لا يا أنت اللي بدأت يا شاكر أنت اللي شاكر يا أخوان أنت اللي بدأت لا يا أنت اللي بدأت يا سامي لا
Number 5 takes us to an accident scene in Charlotte, North Carolina. 4 firefighters are hurt after a fire truck overturns on the highway this morning.
Safety, as you know, is paramount.
Oh, you're going to shoot us? You might shoot us.
Can you tell us a little more of what you saw?
I sure can. I was sitting on my front porch, grabbed a beer, and fuck her right in the pussy.
Back.
Apparently Aaron Hernandez did a lot of traveling there. He went to Miami, he went to California. They are curious to see if any tattoos, new ones, appeared on him at that time, in that time frame.
Do it! Got 11 seconds.
Hey, wait, here's another one.
Skip the 10 times out of different picture of life and it's